everyone, my name is Aparna Bhatia and this week's tech tip is about how to make partial changes to multiple panels. So here you can see I have panel number 61 which has blocking in it, which is added using horizontals tool. And here I have a regular panel 74 is a regular panel, nothing fancy added to it. But what I want to do is have all their names inside this area. I want them all to be called interior instead of panel 61, panel 74. So what we're going to go do is go to level 1, and you can see here there's panel 74, panel 61, and a few of them over here. So what I want to do is I want to select all of these, and I want to only make that one change, which is the prefix. So we'll go to MWF, we'll select all the walls, we'll go to MWF, select properties, and then within properties, before we make any changes, we're going to select all panels, and then we're going to make a partial change. If you want the change, you want to match the templates for all panels to be a specific template, or you want them all, you want to match it all to be something specific, you can choose a template now. After selecting all panels, you can choose a template and change it. But in our case, we're just going to make a partial change. So we're going to go ahead and click on partial change. So it will only make the change for the things I am modifying here now. So here, instead of panel, we're going to call it interior and then put a hyphen right beside it. And that's basically all I want to do for these panels. I don't want to make any major changes. That's all I want to do. So when I click outside, you'll see that it turns orange. So anything that turns orange will, that change will be made for all the panels that were selected. Now, if I go to miscellaneous, you'll notice that there's some tools that you cannot make changes to. So you'll see the edits for deflection connectors, annotations, extensions, and a few of those are not available for you to modify. But there are others like stud spacing you can change, panel direction, and so on and so forth. We do have other options that you can modify with the partial change tool. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're just going to hit OK. And we're just going to give it a little second here. So now we are going to go ahead and take a look, and you can see that it's changed to interior 63, interior 61, and interior 74. And now when I go to the 3D model over here, you'll notice that the horizontal blocking is still there for interior 61, and for interior 74, nothing changed. It's just the way it is. That's it for this week's tech tip. Have a great day.